Hey YouTube watchers, this is a short video uh, to try to help others that may have a boiler and the same type of problem I'm having. Having a hissing or pressure release noise coming from this boiler every so often. I'd say once every 4 days or so. Loud noise of air escaping, and then I also have a leak on the emergency pressure valve, which I have rigged a funnel up so that it catches the leaking water and then brings it into this bucket. I'm getting about 5 gallons every 5 hours or so. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by replacing this baffle, because I think this is full. It feels very solid. I think it should have some ring to it, but anyway, I'm going to attempt to replace that first, and then the valve on the back. And if anybody has any ideas, the water's leaking out the back on the emergency valve, and the thing is making hissing noises once every 4 days or so. It is working though and functioning, and reading 170 and then less than 20 pounds of, you can't really see that, it's too blurry, I know, but anyway, the readings are proper and the boiler is functioning. I'm going to record my findings and post this. Okay, of course it's the dead of winter and it's 12 degrees outside. That's when it always happens.